Hi, my name's Chuck Agro. I'm the Director of Business Development and Project Management for Connecticut. My master's degree was in painting. I needed to find a way to bring money in quickly, and somebody offered me a position as basically special projects, designing the projects, quoting the projects, working the projects. At the end of that year, I got a call from the Metropolitan Museum of Art. And I was there for quite a while, almost 14 years. Connecticut, their dedication is at a higher and different level, probably closer to what I'm used to in museums. And, my goal is to make the industry aware of that. I came from a large museum, which had a lot of internal resources. Most institutions don't have those resources, especially post-COVID. But, they become accustomed to the normal service providers. I want to introduce them to an option. Not only is the company noticed by the industry, but that I can help to grow the company and make it sustainable. I'm familiar with most of their service companies, almost all of them. Connecticut seems to be cut from a different cloth. I met wonderful people through my career. The people who make up the industry, the art handlers, the riggers, the drivers, they move from company to company to company. Fortunately, a number of the really good ones landed here.